Right, so that didn't take that long. It was about a day and a half. I've now got all these wrapped. This is a join point between the middle section and the front section, so I can't join these two together. That's got to be, that's not heavy enough to, you can just see it moving. But yeah, these are the metal floor support runners that have been stiffened up with. That's hemp hessian. It's remarkably strong. That's a, sorry, it's darker side. It's dark from the, so yeah, there we go. So that's a single layer and that's a double layer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 50mm Kevlar tape on both sides. But it's even just 2 layers is incredible. And once I've covered it with the resin to give it a gloss finish, it should look absolutely fantastic. That'd be really strong, fill in all the holes, etc. But yeah, completed all of these. Again, that's part of the top. So that will need to be tube, stainless steel 316 tube there. Probably there, probably from here to there, although that will cause that to twist. And things will have to strengthen this up, but yeah, probably there, and one on the end here, probably from there to there. Looks like a sensible place, but learning from the lessons of the last one, you have to make a cutout in here, so I might, no, it won't be able to go inside the tube, but yeah, be hunting around for a suitable spot for it there. Yeah, because you've got to get the bolt hidden from the underside, remember, as well, and also get a spanner in, so yeah, probably, but also want it to be close to the node, closest node they can, so we'll cut out on here and bring the tube in, the stainless steel tube from there, and the bolt will go in from the front there. But yeah, all done, all these are done as well, wrapped. I've got it supported on the masking tape on the floor. You can see a couple there and a couple there to stop the tube bending, because it's got this on, it's really quite heavy. It's not very stable on the on the thing. Yeah, doing all right. I did mostly manage. There was one particular one that was absolute pain in the ass with the hot glue. Did manage to get it down to something like a 2mm gap. That was all right. That was okay. But yeah, this next stage is the cloth wrapping around our thing. Just do all the nodes first and be cool.